This video, we will explain the different mail settings and the options available in your Rediffmail account. This is your Rediffmail account, your inbox. On the right hand side options, you will see a profile icon. When you click over there, you get different options. One is related to mail settings, change password. You can change your theme colors or you can change your theme sizes. Okay, or else if you want to sign out, you can click on sign out over here. Now let us get into the mail settings to understand more. When we click on mail settings, a new tab opens up. On the left hand side, you will get the different options to change your profile details like your first name, last name, and other things. You need to enter your password, submit, and then you will get the profile page. Other than this, the other basic features are manage email rules. You can create different filters through here. You can add your own signature, you can add your auto response. So these are the different features available in your mail settings tab as a Rediff mail users. Hope this video has been helpful. Thank you.